Yo, what is up? It's JJ from 845, and today in this quick video, I'm going over this. This is my favorite portable light stand. This is the Mathews MERF stand. I think it stands for Mathews Extendable Reverse. I don't know what that F is. But when you think of a portable light stand, usually you're thinking of this one right here. And this is Manfrotto's Nano Stand. The model number is 5001B. Again, this is not a bad stand. I actually still use this. It's just a tiny bit lighter than the Mathews, but the payload capacity and also the maximum height is just not as good as this one right here. So this is a stand that I actually use for my video productions, especially when I'm traveling. I have 5 of these that go into my check-in luggage, and one of them is reserved for the key light, which is a 1x2 LED panel, a 4x4 scrim, a hair light along with a 1x1 panel, a background light with a 1x1 panel, and then for audio, in which I go ahead and put a boom pole on top of this. Because I'm using this primarily for travel, my lights too are very light, and this is the benefit of having the flexible LED panels. Nowadays, when I do travel, I actually barely travel with camera bags. Instead, I use away luggages as my actual camera bags. So this is the check-in suitcase unzipped. This side is where all the grip is at. There is all the lights, and also these are the Westcott panels along with their power. These are the black jips I just got from Target. Yes, this is the stool. So I have 2 cases right over here. I ended up just reusing packing cubes in order to make them super light. And they have a lot of space. This is where all the audio, but also the extension cords are at. And then in this one right here is the connectors. These are the L connectors for the Westcott Cineframes, along with some tape, gaff tape. And here are all the stands. So it's kind of hard to see because it's all black. 5 Mathews MERF stand, a boom pole that does fit, boom pole holder right here. And then I have the homemade boom arm. These are the 20-inch, underneath all of this, the 20-inch Cineframes from Westcott, and then Westcott's X brackets to hold the 1x1s. And then on this side is the Westcott panels, the power, and then a tripod. And as mentioned, I can fit 2 tripods in here. But this is the power for the 1x1, the 1x1, the 1x2, that's bicolor, the 1x1 daylight, and then the 1x1 bicolor. I have the Westcott Flex collapsible China Cube. This is the Yongyo LED stick. That's RGB. And I use this for Sophie Turner. The Manfrotto head. Tripod. These are the Westcott's portable sandbags. These are essentially water bags that can put up to 8 pounds of each. So that way you can weigh down the stands. And here are the panels, so it's hard to see, but this is the 1x1, another 1x1 beneath it, the 4x4 scrim, the 1x1 bicolor, and then the 1x2 bicolor. And if you actually don't think that this is the best stand, I ended up making a comprehensive spreadsheet comparing all the stands that are available of this type, including the minimum close, the maximum height, the payload, and even the weight. So go ahead and peep that little spreadsheet that I made in the description below. And let me know if you have any comments or questions about this stand right here.